Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 31, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. 5th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column B, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. Column B, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 9th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, column E, we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 7th row, and third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 7th row, 5th row, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 10th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 3rd row, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. Second row, we already have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Second row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Fifth grade, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fifth grade, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, it will come in one of the two cells. Seventh row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column G, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column E, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Third grade, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column I, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Ninth row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 10th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column B, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column B, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.